Hello, Audioholics. We are here back at CES 2016, and this time we're at the Venetian, hitting up all the high-end audio that I know that y'all love out there. I'm here with Tom McGee from Arcam, and Tom's going to tell us just a little bit about a new receiver that's going to be shipping very soon from Arcam.
The SR250, and what is unusual about this piece is that it is an AV two-channel receiver. And what I mean by AV is that all of the video processing and switching is built into it, but it is a 2.1 amplifier output for the receiver. It came about because we over time had learned that a fair amount of our customers who were buying our AVRs were in fact using them in a two-channel world. And we decided in talking about that we think there's a real market for having that kind of product out there with a very high degree of performance, and that's what the SR250 is designed to do.
So what you do, Audioholics, you got unused amp channels just sitting there collecting dust, and you paid for those channels. In this case, you've got the two-channel folks that's how they listen to music, especially. Maybe they're pulling up some DVDs. They still want that video component. And so to be clear, you get all the same video component that goes along with that, and other features such as room correction that you typically see in receivers.
That's correct. We have the Dirac room correction on board with all of our new receivers. And the beauty of Dirac is it is not just taming a bass note you might have down at the bottom of the spectrum, but the entire audio spectrum. So regardless of what the room conditions are that we put the receiver into, the customer has the ability to get the best possible sound by using Dirac. It's a wonderful system where you actually do the computations or the setup on your computer, and then that information is sent over to Sweden, where a big computer does the real hard work for us and then sends it back over the network, and you then upload that into your receiver.
That's such an interesting concept. One of the things we hear from a lot of room correction companies is that they're very limited by the amount of processing power that exists in a receiver. And the receiver manufacturers are often cutting out powerful room correction because they just run out of MIPS.
Yep.
They run out of processing power. And so in this case, you're using literally a supercomputer.
Yes, we are.
to fix that issue. One last thing that I want to talk about is the amplifier technology that goes into this. You're very proud of what you're doing there.
Thank you. We are. We are using Class G amplifiers in our receivers. Well, in two of the three receivers, I should say, to be straightforward. And the beauty of Class G is that it gives you just enormous amounts of current on demand. So when a dinosaur stomps on a car or everything starts blowing up in the movie, nothing ever compresses. You get every bit of the audio quality from it that way.
Well, this is a very interesting product. We're happy to see it shipping. We'll also be doing some articles on the website for a new product that's sort of in a pre-production phase, doing a little bit of a prototyping, which is a solo series, and it's, as you mentioned, a high-quality lifestyle product, but don't let the lifestyle tag throw you off. You're still talking over 30 pounds of hardware, the Class G amplifiers, the quality that Arcam is known for, and what you're willing to put your name on, understanding that you've got to represent that quality. So do make sure you check out the Arcam solo music and solo movie reviews or previews that we are going to be putting up on the Audioholics website, and make sure to keep your eye out for the new receivers that are going to be shipping from Arcam. Thank you very much, Tom.
Thank you very much, and we appreciate you coming by and taking a look at our products.
Wouldn't miss it.
Appreciate it.